The MiniPID is a range of second-generation photoionization sensors. Incorporating Ion Science's patented long-life filter, the PPB XF, ensures accurate long-term data in the most challenging conditions. It can detect very low levels of volatile organic compound gases using its 10.6 eV lamp. Its minimum detection limit is just 1 ppb and has a dynamic range of greater than 40 ppm. This model is engineered for prolonged, uninterrupted monitoring. MiniPID is a Series 4 or A3 size, so is lightweight, small and efficient. It is equally suited to battery-powered products or fixed monitors and will work equally well in both pumped and diffused scenarios. Specific features include our fence electrode, proven to resist humidity and contamination, ensuring outstanding results. The MiniPID is fully serviceable as both the lamp and electrode stack are easily replaced. The MiniPID PPB XF. Reliable VOC measurement even in the harshest environments. For more information, subscribe or go to ionsense.com.